In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to delete the datasets that you've imported. Now you can lasso an area and select that area by letting go and then click on the next button, and from there you can delete the accounts. But that will only delete the accounts and the data linked to those accounts in that lassoed area. If you'd like to delete all of the data sets, you would have to click here on Data Definition and then select that data set you plan to delete. So if we wanted to delete the Sales 2019 dataset, you select that and then click on the Delete button and then click on the Yes button here. Clicking on OK, you've completed that deletion. So now selecting an area on the map with the lasso tool, when I let go of the lasso tool, you will see that you no longer see that sales dataset because we've just deleted that. Another way to confirm this is to open up a territory table view where we have all of our data summed up to the territory level. And you will see that we only have the potential value and the calls that are still left here for territory data because we deleted that third data set. And there you have it. You've just learned how to delete data that is found in your AlignMix file.